very funny group of the ferns. I remember, I think the first time I saw them on Hawaii, and since that saw multiple times in tropical America, like in Ecuador. But this is a completely different place. So this is a bit snowy Japanese forest. Look, there's a snow around. And that snow coincides with that particularly tropical group ferns. The representative is called Haplopteris now. So Haplopteris is a genus of plants which is growing in most of tropical Asia and America. And here it grows nearby the very old ancient road which goes to Kyoto from the north. Road, I believe, started to be, well, appeared in the 8th century. And that place is very close to Bodai Falls near Nakagawa River. So that slope is covered with multiple ferns. So for example, there are several different Lepisaurus and also filmy fern and many other different species of ferns. So most of these groups are normally considered to be very tropical. So what's going on? This is just additional illustration to the thesis that ferns and many other plants will first of all require humidity, and only then will require the high temperature. So the biggest reason is the high humidity. And here humidity of course is very high even today on January 4. I can feel it in the air. So humidity is high, temperature is low, but it doesn't matter as far as the concentration of water in the air is high. Then evaporation from leaves will be relatively low, and then root system will cope with the situation. Of course, if air starts to be much drier and ground start to be very freezing, then ferns will have a very hard time and may even dry out. But so far, with the high humidity which is partly caused by the nearby waterfall, this is okay. This is an environment which many tropical ferns will like and will thrive in it. Funny thing is that that position of leaves will help the plant to withstand snowfalls. Like for example in sedges, which you can find nearby. And sedges, by the way, is easy to mix with Haplopteris from the distance. So like on the sedges, snow which will go on this parts of leaves will easily slide down, and then leaves will continue to photosynthesize. So Haplopteris here is very old one. I think these plants are producing spores for many years. It's very frequent in the Japanese southern side and even goes, as you see, very deeply inside the island. This is Haplopteris, which is growing in the north of Kyoto in a bit snowy forest of January 4th. Thank you very much.